Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to screen record your phone. Let's say you wanna record everything that you're doing on your phone. Let's say you wanna record your messages, or maybe you wanna record your maybe something that you're doing on your phone. So let's say, okay, then without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Then after you get here, then you're gonna click here on the top search button here. Click here. Then after, you're just gonna type in screen recorder. Just click on it. As you can see, there's many screen recorders, but what I would advise you is that you check which one has the most downloads. Then as you can see, me, I'm using this one. Click on here. Then after you get here, you're just gonna download this app. It's called Screen Recorder. As you can see, I'm using Screen Recorder at the moment, guys. So these are the benefits of Screen Recorder. You can record everything that you're doing. You're just gonna install this app. Then after you install this app, it's gonna look like this. As you can see here, it is X Recorder. So this app, it records everything. It records everything. You can record anything. You can record your WhatsApp, except for bank apps. Bank apps are encrypted, so you can record bank apps because there's securities, there's everything there. So guys, that's how easy it is. Then you can just install it, and after you install it, then you can just switch it on. Then it's gonna record everything that you want. I'm using this app currently now as I'm taking this video, as I'm making this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this.